Okay, so you're scrolling through TikTok and you see creators flashing their brand deals, merch lines, and, let's be real, a pretty sweet lifestyle. Naturally, the big question pops up. How many followers do you actually need on TikTok to start making money? Let's break it down. No fluff. Just real talk. First up, TikTok isn't like the old days of YouTube, where you had to wait for that magical 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to even think about earning a penny. On TikTok, it's a bit more complicated, but trust me, it's also way more flexible. So, is there a magic number? Well, kind of. The first milestone you'll want to hit is 10,000 followers. That's the minimum you need to join the TikTok Creator Fund, which is TikTok's built-in way to pay creators for their content. You'll also need at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you've got to be 18 or older. Once you're in, TikTok pays you based on views, engagement, and a bunch of mysterious factors that only their algorithm truly understands. But don't expect to quit your day job just yet. The Creator Fund pays around 2 to 4 cents per thousand views. So, a viral video with 1 million views, that could land you about 20 to 40 bucks. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to wait for the Creator Fund to monetize your audience. Brand deals, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can start even earlier. Some micro-influencers, think accounts with 1,000 to 5,000 followers, are scoring free products or small payments, especially if their audience is super engaged or in a valuable niche. If you've got a loyal following that really vibes with your content, brands will notice, even if your follower count isn't huge. Let's not forget about live gifts and tips too. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can go live and your fans can send you virtual gifts that convert into cash. It's not going to pay the rent, but it's a start. And honestly, seeing your first dollar from something you created, super motivating. So to answer the big question, you can start making money in small ways with as little as 1,000 followers. But if you want to unlock the bigger features like the Creator Fund and get serious about income, 10,000 followers is that key threshold. But here's the thing, it's not just about the number. Engagement, niche, and content quality matter way more than just a high follower count. Focus on building a real community. Keep experimenting, and don't stress if you're not at 10K yet. Every creator started at 0. If you found this helpful, hit that sub button for more creator tips, and let me know in the comments where you're at on your TikTok journey. Catch you in the next one.